Alright, to remove the rear fascia bumper cover, we need to take out these bolts. They're all for the right and left splash guards for the rear wheel wells, T20s. So under here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7mm bolts you're gonna have to remove. Anything holding this in place? Ah, there's one bolt in the very back, like back here. I missed this one totally. Also a 7mm. All right. So now, wow, I got dirty. Now you can take it off. Unless there's one I'm missing back here. Oh, there's one. Just come right on out. All right. All right, it should just come off. Very lightly put your plastic pie tool in the corner and then pop out. So there's these tabs. I'll try to show you guys on this side. So you're going to gently pull out and kind of stick your pry tool in there very gently, very gently. And look for those tabs. Very gentle about it. Very gentle. There you go. Push down. It should release. Just very lightly, very gently. Be very gentle. That's the name of the game. There we go. Okay, to remove this rear light, it's just 3, 1, 2, 3, 8mm bolts in the back. Just disconnect the wire harness. Peel around. No? Okay. Should be able to just pop it out. Alright. Light is removed. Woo! I cracked it. Wow. No, leave it. Okay. Guys, I'm really excited today. My WRD Spider glass removal and installation kit came in. So yeah, I figured, you know, I'm probably, if I can't hammer and or if I can't pull this one out, I'm gonna have to take this glass off and cut it out and put a new piece in. Obviously, the quarter glass has to go, and the rear glass has to go. So let's see how this kit does. Figured I could use it in future projects. It's not cheap. It's quite pricey, but let's see how this line wire window cutting system works. Well, I can't help that. See, it's working really nicely. Okay, so I need to get more up in the corner here.